Hello friends, today I am going to make a simple mask out of a tissue paper, and it's very easy. You can try it at home, and it is very important during this time of coronavirus. What we need a stapler, we need two rubber bands, okay, and we need a tissue paper, and tissue paper should be very clean, very clean, and otherwise the purpose will not be served. That's why it should be very clean. So now let me show you the procedure. First we'll take the tissue paper. I have folded the tissue paper two times. Okay, so after folding the tissue paper 2 times, we'll make a simple folding in this manner. Okay, next make another fold like this. Do a fold. Okay, now using this we will just make another folding. I hope you all can see the foldings that I have made. Okay, like this. This is the folded tissue paper, you can see. And now we'll take the stapler, and using this we'll just staple these two ends, somewhat like this. Okay, now this end. Okay, now this is the first rubber band. We'll place it somewhat here, okay, like this. So this is the rubber band, and we will staple it perpendicular 90 degrees like this. See, you can see the rubber band is tight, very tight. Okay, now we will take the second rubber band and staple it at the other end in a similar manner. Somewhat like this, and staple it in a similar way. Okay, so now both ends tight. I can use it. Right? So the mask is made, and now you can put it like this. See the two ends. The middle portions, that is this one, can be extended like this, so it will cover your whole mouth. Okay. Now the thing you have to take care of is it is damaged by water, because it's a tissue paper, so you have to keep it away from water or other watery substances. I hope you like this. Thank you.